This program takes an image made under the normal range of color vision and converts it to the range of color that somebody with the selected type of color blindness would experience. So you can browse your files for an image, and you can simulate deuteranomaly, protanomaly, or tritonomaly. So here is where it has basically zero deuteranomaly. This is more or less the normal image. But then when you press the arrow, it simulates deuteranomaly at a factor of 0.5. As you can see, a lot of these numbers have become significantly less discernible than in the original version. Now if you look here, the numbers 12 and 7 and 9 have completely disappeared towards someone who has deuteranomaly to a severe extent. Now one way we have found to rectify this issue is to shift the hue of the image overall to a different color, one that is more discernible for the deuteranomaly field of color vision. So this is what a blue shifted image would look like towards somebody with a normal range of color vision. When we press this button, it'll create a file that shows us what it will look like to somebody who is deuteranomaly colorblind. That file is over here in inclusive.jpg. So as you can see here, the 7 and the 13 and the 8 and the 9 are much more discernible under this field of vision than they were with the normal version of the image. So let's recap. This is what the image looked like under the normal field of color vision before we corrected the hue. And here's what it looked like to somebody that was colorblind. Again, some of the numbers are extremely indiscernible towards the person with that affliction of colorblindness. However, after we applied our method, the numbers 7, 13, 8, 12, and 9 are a lot more discernible. That's because we altered the hues that the color should be discernible from towards something that would still be discernible for somebody with a relatively limited field of color vision. We hope that a tool such as this will be useful in helping educators understand the limitations of some of their graphics for students of theirs that have colorblindness. And it can also allow them to find methods such as changing the hue through the program that will make their image accessible both for those that are colorblind and those who have an otherwise normal range of color vision.